Here we are trying to relate first quadrant's value with the fourth quadrant. So let's pick up some random value. Say this is the point and that's your radius and this is theta. So basically we are looking at what? This entire thing from here till here. We are looking at 270 plus theta. So we are in fourth quadrant. Now corresponding to that, let's take point theta over here and joining that is this line from the center to that, and we have this angle to be theta as well. So as usual we'll name this as point P and all of that. This is A comma B and this is point Q and M comma N. Okay, and then we have this to be O. Anything else? Yeah, topping a perpendicular. So this is a perpendicular, this is a perpendicular, this is 90, 90. And what is the relationship between these two? These two sides are equal, so they are congruent, right? The same funda. So triangle, let me name it. This color won't suit, let me choose black. OMQ and OAP, right? So we have triangle OAP being congruent to triangle OMQ. This is because of AAS congruency. Agree? Next, by CPCT, what can you ever tell? By CPCT we can tell that the lengths, remember these are the lengths, not in terms of coordinate, in terms of lengths, OA is equal to OM. Okay, remember this is in terms of lengths. Then what else? We have AP in terms of length, magnitude, these are equal, and in terms of length OP is equal to OQ. Okay, right? Next, in terms of coordinate, this is where you guys have to help me out. What is the relationship? So OA is nothing but A. So A is related to length, A is related to OA is related to OM, that is Y component, that is N. Okay, I'm just writing the relationship as of now. We'll talk in terms of sign a bit later. Then AP is your height, that's B, is equal to NQ. NQ is your width left to right, that's your X coordinate, so that's equal to M. Now let us take up some value to help us with this. So if this is 2 comma 3 as usual, 3 comma 2 actually, that makes more sense, or 5 comma 2, right? This would be what? This would be what? This clearly is, first is X, that is 2, that's okay. So that's 2, and Y is minus 5. So what can I tell? This relationship between x's, that is I have n. N is so positive, not an issue. M is negative, so minus of B is M. B is this, minus of B is, no, I got it wrong. Which is negative over here? Sorry, N is negative. Oh yeah, minus of 1 is minus of 1A. Minus 1 into A, that is, sorry, minus 1 into A is N. Right? Now you have to pause and have a look. All of that is correct. Okay, now I'm going to erase this and I'm talking about the next important part, relating your cos and sine with cos theta and sine theta with this set of cos theta and sine theta. Actually it's cos of, let me change the color actually, cos of 270 plus theta and sine of 270 plus theta. Just pick it up and relate. So we have here m comma n will be equal to, therefore m comma n is equal to m is b and n is minus 1 into a. And so this implies, what do we have? M is what? M is cos of 270 plus theta, which is equal to B. B is sine theta, while sine of 270 plus theta is minus 1 into A. A is cos theta, minus 1 into cos of theta. So on to an example. What do we have? We have cos of say 300, right? That is 270 plus 30, which should be equal to sine of 30, which is 0.5. That makes sense. This is 0.5. Okay, while sine of 300 will be equal to minus 1 into cos of 30. This is where it gets tricky. Minus 3 by 2. Okay guys, so is this correct? Looks to be so. Let's have a look. 300 in terms of 30, that is minus 2, no, minus 60. Yeah, minus 60. Okay, so is that correct? Yeah, we have it right. Can you see that? So cos is positive while sine is negative, and that's what we got. Sine is negative while cos is positive. Okay, so we have the relationship, and this is our relationship. So again, all of this, it goes back to simple coordinate geometry relationship. You need to understand this, because in the next video I'm going to conclude, make a summary of all of it, and I'm going to teach you guys some tricks. So using that, we need to learn a lot of things. So I hope you guys have found this to be simple. If not, just pause and think over. Just take coordinates. It's very simple. I've not done anything complicated. It's very simple set of relationship. You have to know this, right? So now pause and copy all of this.